I'm Andrea Abraham. This is my husband, John Abraham, and we're the owners of Town and Country Cottages.
We're located just a stone's throw from Pikes Peak, and you can walk to Garden of the Gods from here. So we're in Manitou Springs.
We took over ownership in November, and one of our first guests here was a salesperson from Orec. His name was Mike. Said he would pass the word about our property. We have multiple acres here that needs clearing for additional amenities. Not quite sure what those are yet, but he set us up to test out some equipment, and it's been fun.
So I got to use the brush rover, which I've never been on a riding brush mower before, and it was really surprising how powerful and really how capable it was. The way it can climb up a hill was really surprising to me. I found it to be incredibly intuitive. I was able to use it within 10 minutes of familiarizing myself with the controls. And I thought it was a fun machine, but also a very high quality professional piece of equipment that made me feel like I could handle a lot of this work myself. One of the first things we talked about was really establishing and maintaining a trail around our beautiful property. We've got several acres that just is not easily accessible on foot. So this equipment really showed us that we could cut down the brush and make it an accessible path, and then we could continue to maintain that ourselves. So it's a very nice surprise.
It's nice to be able to access our property and our guests as well. With the several acres that we do have, it was nice to see the land for one of my first times, where we're not developed and it's quite overgrown. So now we have some walking trails and some clear open space, which is nice to see and helps with my vision a little bit more with
for the whole property.
what this property is going to do. I have very little experience with brush mowing, and I felt in control when I was on the machine. I did feel the power. However, I felt secure in operating it, that it was getting the job done. And I found it quite easy and actually enjoyable for not ever having been on a mower.
You are a natural.
Oh, thank you.
So now we're excited without really having any experience with these kinds of tools. Now we're really excited about the possibilities of what we can do with our land and really make this an even more inviting and enjoyable place for our guests.